Welcome back to Plane X. Today we're going flying with not one, but two DIY RC planes in FPV. So after building our own FPV goggles and planes, we finally get to see what flying in first person is all about. And spoiler alert, it is mind-blowing. Perfect. So let's jump right into it. First things first, we each took our plane up for a solo flight to get the hang of flying in our new FPV setups. But later, we're gonna try to fly in formation, so stick around. Dialed?
Yep. I'm going one flap. Ready?
And we're full throttle. Smooth takeoff. Oh my god. Alright, how you feeling?
By the way, my heart's flying right now. I mean, I'm kind of high right now. I'm gonna bring it down.
Yeah, definitely. Get used to it. Try to like do like a flyby from the direction you want to.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do like a practice run. I feel so fast.
You are so fast. You could definitely turn down the speed quite a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, you're okay. Now you're like aligned right now. You're pretty high though.
Yeah, I'm pretty lucky.
Okay, nice. Don't stall. Okay, you're coming in smooth. Smooth. Perfect. Lower engine. Pull up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my god, no! The wheels popped somehow.
Oh, you did?
That was so smooth though. It like landed. You can see one wheel popped all the way here.
Yeah. Oh shit.
And the other one popped off out there.
Honestly, I think these might have been just badly printed.
Maybe.
Because it shouldn't have snapped on that, right? I mean, we still got a lot of flights, and so Hugo, let's see how you do.
Alright, so I am dialing in to fly. If you just want to see what this looks like for me.
Yeah. So
I have the less expensive camera. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, let's dial it in.
Let's go. Oh, and you're up. Oh my, you almost clipped the grass.
It is a bit glitchy when I do go further out.
Oh yeah, obviously, yeah.
But
Wait, do you want to pull the flaps or?
all right, yeah. There you go. Perfect. Oh, it is trimmed down. Okay, that's good.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I'm getting a good feel for it.
Yeah.
Honestly, landing should not be too bad. Let's see if I can come in for a flyby. I'll do like a test run for landing.
Oh, nice flyby. Oh, that was sick.
That feels pretty good. Okay, I think I'm gonna come in for a landing.
Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, now, yeah, bring this in. This is perfect. Beautiful. But, oh,
what?
double snap, but it came in nicely.
Dude, that came in so well. It doesn't feel too bad. It does not feel too bad.
Yeah, I know.
I could, oh my god, it's so weird seeing the world again.
Yeah, no, but like,
Jesus.
like after that, don't you like only want to fly an FPV?
Yeah,
like
no,
it feels
dude,
so nice.
Genuinely, I think I'm gonna put FPV on the Warthog next time.
No, we have, bro, guys.
100%.
Like and subscribe on this video. We'll do the Warthog FPV.
So,
Come on.
this felt so good. I genuinely like this. I think it's time we do a double flight. Both of us in the air.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to do a dogfight. Or like, we're just gonna try to do a chase.
Just chase. No, we'll just try to like formation.
Yeah,
Try to.
we'll do
see.
some cool formation flying.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's skip over to that. So, after reducing the safety notch in the landing gear, we are now ready to fly at the same time. But first, if you're curious about the power behind these planes, it's all thanks to the brand new Turnigy Boltex high voltage batteries. Engineered for high demand use, they deliver enhanced performance while being more compact and lightweight. Plus, with added internal protection for improved safety and an extended lifespan, these batteries are a game changer for our FPV flights. You can check them out with the link in the description. Now, back to the video.
Yeah, ready?
Taking off?
Yep.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Airborne.
I'm airborne. How about you?
Same.
Oh, nice. Okay, get nice and high.
Yep.
Oh, this is beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, I have no clue what the fuck
I'm just doing some circles now.
Same.
I'm gonna try to find
Oh,
you.
I see him.
Oh, you do? Okay, I'm gonna try to go nice and slow. Okay, I just dropped flaps.
Yeah, I'm like, oh right, yeah, flaps, okay. Flaps are up.
I see you. Yes, keep going how you are. Stay at 3/4 speed.
I am.
Okay. Oh wait, I don't see you right now.
Yeah, it's like if you go far, like the quality
You
is
just
not good
disappeared, bro. You're like one pixel.
I'm like by the forest.
Yeah, you're like one pixel, not like you like disappear.
Okay, wait, try to come up behind me.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
I have no clue where you are.
Wait, I'm right now at the right.
I'm at the forest, doing a corner above us right now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Okay, you know what? Let's just come in for
I'm like
landing.
flying towards the hill right now.
Yeah, I'm same.
So how the f do you not see me then?
Wait, should we come in a landing or?
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna do like a quick 360 and just see if I can see you.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, no, I'm gonna go against you.
Oh shit. Wait, I'm out of power.
Out of power.
Yeah.
Code for landing. Okay, I will too.
Okay, I just landed.
He's gonna crash. Please.
I just crashed. Wait, I was in there so long though.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna come in from the field.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on, I can talk better.
Wait, that's you? Oh shit, you're coming in well? Oh, so nice. Oh, a little far, you're far. Oh.
No! I have no clue how high I was.
But he couldn't use less of the fucking runway. Fucking hell, yeah, don't fucking runway he does that.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the dual flight. We'll see what we can do. We'll try to get in some formations or something. Dog fight. Let's just see what happens.
2 seconds later.
What?
Oh.
You just nailed the pole.
Alright, so the plane is quite literally
Yeah. We had a little oopsie. What?
Whoa.
So what happened there?
okay, well, pretty much I was taking off and then I thought I was gonna clear it and I got tilted towards the pole.
Yeah, you were like half a meter away from clearing it. No, I was just watching the FPV,
Dude,
just like,
so
oh, like, yeah. No, I was just in the FPV watching, like, come on, clear it, and I'm like, oh shit. I just hear him dong and we're thinking that I'll try to send threading the needle between the poles in the soccer net.
Watch another plane.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that goes, but okay.
Yeah, another plane might just get destroyed.
Well, yeah, well now we're down to one, so hopefully this thing doesn't destroy itself too. Almost. Yeah, I'll try again. Oh! Oh my god! Dude, you almost nailed it!
Yeah, bring it down. Oh, fuck. So we decided to call it a day. Obviously, the plane got absolutely destroyed.
What?
Whoa.
So we are planning to revisit this idea in the future with new, bigger planes. For now, subscribe, like this video if you want to see more. We'll see you in the next one.